This is the sound of our day. From the warmth of arrival, we set off on science adventures. Then we live as our favorite book characters, wandering through pages, becoming heroes, creatures, and dreamers. Snip, swish, splatter. We take the stage, and art becomes alive. It's time for music. We stomp, we sway, we spin around. Run, jump, cheer in PE time. Yum, crunch, refueling with laughter, stories, and shared bites. Hush, drift, dream, we become astronauts and sea captains. Another 365 days at HEI flew by in a blink. From warm hellos to soft goodbyes, here is our last HEI time.